According to a recent McKinsey study, over 36% of Americans have a side hustle, and that number is expected to rise dramatically by the end of 2025. Why? Because the traditional job market isn't cutting it. Inflation is up, job security is down, and people are realizing one thing: the internet is the new economy. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just want more control over your income, here's how you can make real money online in 2025. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a better financial future. Point 1. Sell a skill, freelancing, and services. The fastest way to earn online is by selling a skill. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are booming. In fact, Fiverr alone saw over 4 million active buyers in 2024. High-demand skills include video editing, graphic design, copywriting, website development SEO, and digital marketing. Even if you're starting from scratch, free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and HubSpot Academy offer high-quality tutorials. Learn for 1 to 2 hours a day, practice, and you could be charging $50 to $100 per hour in just a few months. Point 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube isn't just for influencers. Faceless channels, those using voiceovers, animations, and stock footage, are now making thousands every month through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. All you need: a niche, finance, motivation, gaming, health. AI tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, or ChatGPT consistent uploads, 2 to 3 videos per week. Monetization kicks in after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But smart creators are also adding affiliate links and selling mini guides from day one. Point 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products for a commission, and it's not just about Amazon links anymore. In 2025, creators are making thousands promoting software like Notion, Canva, or Jasper AI, online courses, subscription services use affiliate networks like Impact, ShareASale, or PartnerStack. Combine this with content, blogs, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and you can earn passive income every time someone buys through your link. Point 4. Sell digital products. Digital products are exploding. Why? Because they cost nothing to ship, and people love instant solutions. Some best-selling options include Notion templates, ebooks, Canva, templates online courses, or guides use Gumroad, Etsy, or your own Shopify store. Example: a creator named Jason built a $10,000 a month business selling digital planners, working just 15 hours a week. Point 5. Drop servicing business model. Drop servicing is like drop shipping, but instead of selling products, you sell services. Here's how. You list a service, e.g., video editing, on your website. A client hires you. You outsource the work to a freelancer for less. You pocket the profit without doing the work yourself. Sites like White Label Copy or Design Pickle even offer subscription-based fulfillment. Point 6. AI-powered content creation. AI is your business partner in 2025. You can now write blog posts using ChatGPT, create social media posts with Copy.ai, generate videos using Runway ML or Pika Labs. Entrepreneurs are offering AI content services to small businesses, charging $200 to $500 per month for scheduled content across platforms. Point 7. Print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand lets you sell physical products without inventory. Design it once, and your supplier handles the rest. Top platforms: Printify, Teespring, and Gelato. hot niches, inspirational quotes, pet lovers, niche memes, teachers. Pair your shop with viral content on TikTok or Pinterest, and you can build a six-figure brand from your laptop. Point 8. Paid newsletters or Substack. Newsletters are back and they're profitable. Platforms like Substack and Beehive let you write about any topic and monetize through paid subscriptions. If 1,000 people pay you just $5 a month, that's $5,000 a month, or $60,000 a year. Whether it's finance tips, relationship advice, or industry insights, people pay for curated content. Point 9. Remote sales jobs or commission-based work. Not all online income is business-based. Remote sales jobs are in high demand. SaaS companies in the US are hiring SDRs and closers with commissions ranging from 10% to 30%. If you can sell, you can thrive. Some reps are making $8,000 to $12,000 a month working from home. Best part? Many offer training and don't require a degree. Point 10. Build a personal brand around your niche. People trust people. If you consistently share your journey, skills, or insights on a specific niche, your brand becomes your business. Whether you're into fitness, tech, real estate, or finance, show up daily on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Partnerships, coaching clients, and product sales will follow. 2025 isn't waiting. The tools are here. The platforms are ready. The only question is, what will you build online this year?